Whilst 5G isn't new, the opportunities for businesses often go unrealised. One of the main challenges for business leaders is a clear understanding of why things like 5G spectrum and lower latency matter, and how 5G can increase efficiency and scale, ultimately serving as a catalyst for business innovation and optimization. In this day and age, 5G is essential to faster innovation and better business outcomes. Why? Because as the demands on your network increase, you need technology that can keep up. As business needs evolve, leaders' knowledge needs to evolve. With the right perspective, every challenge becomes an opportunity. That's why I was excited to discover T-Mobile for Business's 5G HQ Hub, which has resources for business leaders on all things 5G, from transportation and logistics to retail and manufacturing, to higher education and healthcare. It's an incredible resource that will help you envision new opportunities and innovate and scale your business, no matter what stage you're at. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for resources and ways to educate myself about what's new in tech, and this is a resource I would highly recommend checking out. The link's in my post.